Hi there, welcome to this class, and I would like to share you about how to search WordPress theme and Google. Yes, you can search your WordPress theme by using Google search engine also. If you know about the theme name, then you can easily search that one. Let me see. Go to and open google.com. Then you can select this. I would like to search for optimizer, optimizer. Here you can see WordPress theme. Just hit enter, then you can find out some stuff is there. See, remember once, whatever free theme would you like to search by using Google, then only find out this link wordpress.org. So if you click on that, then you will redirect into wordpress.org website. WordPress.org and theme forest is only the way to find out better themes. Other than remaining platforms are very careful. Some may available GPL themes also available, and serial number updatable themes may also available. Beware about that themes, because those themes may have some spams. After hosting your website may got some hacking problem, so beware of that. But here in this wordpress.org you can't get spam WordPress themes. You need not worry about this one. So coming to your Google platform, there search for your theme, then it will redirect into wordpress.org. see, here you can also find out the theme name and the developer by so and so, and here you can see some reviews also be available, and tags download days will be available. So see, find out this one. This is the optimizer theme. Just click on themes. There you may also search for optimizer theme. So just search here. So click on that optimizer and click enter. So here also you can find out this optimizer theme. If you click on that more information, then what is happening is you will redirect into optimizer page. If you want to use this theme into your website, you can download this theme by hitting this download button, or if you want to see preview by using this preview button, you can easily see the preview of this website. So this is the way you need to search for free themes by using Google, even though you can able to search for paid themes by using Google. If you get the theme details, please aware of this link. Whatever website you would like to see, you are seeing in Google, this is the most important link. And also remember, these ratings also very important. If you get 5-star rating or 4.5 rating, then what is happening is this is most popular theme. You can use this theme in your website, then you couldn't get any spam or hacking problems for your website. Thank you for watching. Please follow my classes. You will get a lot of subject. Thank you.